Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I am here on the beautiful private island, Castaway Key, Disney's private island, and I am almost ready to go into Cabana number 10, and I want to give you a tour. We just ran the Castaway Key 5K, and now we're ready for our beautiful private cabana. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is cabana number 10. Beautiful view of the island. And the ship. Of course, you have your complimentary water, cool towels, snacks, and the button that I love. You push this button and your concierge hosts come and give you whatever you need. Towels, safe, so very nice. Sunscreen is provided. Today we have a 50 and a 30. No worries. We have play items for the children, floats. You can lay in your hammock all day long. There's also a shower. Just lovely. The beach is private, so only cabana guests may go on the beach. On this side of the beach, the family beach is on the other side. It's just beautiful. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. I know all the tricks and tips to get you into this cabana, this coveted cabana. Don't forget to like my YouTube channel and my Facebook page to follow my Disney travels. See you real soon.